I want this class to be an interactive session. Please ask how many ever questions you have. If you can't understand what is concealer formula, please ask me more than 100 times or 1000 times. I am really ready to explain according to the level you can understand and take it forward.
So the antibiotic cream, at what stage should it be applied, like before the moisturizer?
Regarding the antibiotics, professional pictures or videos, it won't be visible. So most of the photographers here in the wedding industry, they are using a highly professional cameras, HD cameras. So when they take picture, there won't be any sort of flashback. So then tomorrow's look, I will be doing the eyes first and then base second. So you guys will be knowing two different things, making it more smooth and soft whenever I'm going to touch the acne part. Like that you can balance it. And also remember, please check with them what sort of sensitivity they have faced earlier. So what sort of sensitivity? If they say, I got pimples, which is very common, you have to make them understand. Makeup has chemicals. So when we use chemical on the face, definitely we will be aggravating the all sort of sensitivity and also the pimples. It is going to spread for sure. But make sure you're not going to hurt them, you're not going to trigger their pimples. So those techniques I will be covering. According to my experience, I have tried so many things on myself, but these two brands work for me. And it works for all skin types also, including sensitive skin. For that I highly recommend.
Oil pigment, and this is a shimmer base.
Okay? If she's gonna keep it for 1 hour also, it doesn't turn grayish. Because the color pigment is high. The coverage is two-way high. Okay? This is one thing I just shared during the foundation theory in my pro batch.
I just came here to meet you once at least.
Oh, thank you.
But I'm interested now.
Thank you.
It was very informative. We got to know about some technical things that we have to work on the DSLR camera, especially on the quality of pictures and how light can work on DSLR.
Thank you so
Thank
much.
you so much.
I hope it was not boring and it was
No, it was very informative. We'd like to see the demo.
I want all of your honest feedback. How was the session?